just talk. With the assistance of one of my young clients, his brother, I'm actually giving some live footage of a mohawk that that this young man Trey likes a lot, and he's also in an upcoming photo shoot that I'm having, that I've already had, sorry, and the magazine should possibly be coming out during the festival in Atlanta, if I'm not mistaken. I have to talk to the lady that owns the magazine itself. So, see, we can take the brother up. I gotta make sure when you edging people up, y'all know that edge up is triple. They can make and break the clientele. A nice edge up, actually. But you're actually at Tristan's Barber Style on location set. You're here where I do my job and make it happen, and maintain my celebrity barber status with young celebrities like this. Look at her. Sure, she wears it well, and I'm not finished yet. See, make sure it's nice and neat around the ear. That's essential. It has to be nice and neat around the ear. Clean back and back. Make sure everything's showing good. When you turn around the front, the edges should be actually speaking to you. It should be having separate conversations on each side of the head. So, yeah. And this is actual a view of his edge up. And really nice and crisp. But watch, we get this mohawk back on track now. So we should be finished shortly. Let's make it happen. I don't think I'll be able to. It's not like I'm promoting anything other than stuff. So I would like to tell you any type of clippers that I'm using, but free advertisement. Now, see how I go out. Take it off. This is me in live action, because I don't really do this too much, but you can pick up any techniques that you may be able to see, because I'm more unorthodox style cutter, but I have a nice eye for getting people what they want, and I think that's the bottom line. Keep in mind, Tristan does not have a cheap haircut. Okay? Let's keep in mind. Now look at that. Here's more hard. What do we got? One dust, first of all. Look at that. I beat him up a little bit. This is the only way I can get back from him. drinking up all my juice in the popsicle. Just kind of hit him a couple times with the brush to even everything out. So. Nice little mohawk, no lines, blend in real good, back to the neck, nice, neat, didn't take all day. This is what I'm talking about. Ladies and gentlemen, barbers, and if you want a good view of it, here it is. Latest, hope you like the style. Wrap.